Hello team, I'm Omar from the Make for COVID external engagement team. I want to share with you a few tips and tricks so that we can use whatever you're producing as a media for our communications outside of our internal groups. So we're doing a lot of Zooms, a lot of videos, a lot of photos in there. Nowadays, the formats for is mainly on a phone, like up, down, wide, every side. So media needs basically two things. They need wide angle videos, like horizontal shots, and on Instagram and other like TikTok things, we need vertical. Oh, vertical. Mariah, my team member, love when we're saying vertical. So I want to give a few tricks on how you can help us a lot, avoiding us spending hours of editing videos to make them publishable. And that's as simple as this flag or whatever we call it. So what we have here is what basically a vertical video looks like on your phone, on Instagram or TikTok or Snapchat. There's a few things you want to do. So when you're recording a video, you want good light. So I'm always putting a light on the side of my computer right there. If you have glasses, that may reflect, but if you don't, that's actually okay. And I try to stay in the middle. I try to stay in the middle, not too close, not too. That's too close. That's way too close. But here would be okay. Like we have dog doing the daily stuff right there all the time, and that's okay too. But if you could just like step a little bit back, that would be fine. You can be here. You can be here standing. You can be sitting. Right? Just be sitting a little bit upper. That'd be nice, right there. What we don't want? We don't want you here, because then I have to move that by video editing, and that's really hard, and that takes a lot of power. The same thing here. So no, I'm not showing this and talking to my friends right there. No, because I would just see your hat, right? So what do we remember? We remember to be basically right here. Boom, here, boom, here, okay, here, okay, and right there. We'd love for you to be there and be with us so that we can do those great videos and communicate the entire great job everybody's doing. So thank you, and we'll see you around. Bye-bye.